Most business owners believe that if they have a website, leads will automatically follow. But the truth is, most websites don't fail because of design. They fail because there's no system behind them. Let me explain. A typical business website today is built like a digital brochure. It looks good, it has pages, it has content, but it has no clear journey for the user, no structured flow, no intent mapping, no conversion logic. And that's where the problem begins. Think about it like this. When a user lands on your website, they are not exploring, they are evaluating. They are asking, can this business solve my problem? Can I trust them? What shall I do next? If your website does not answer these questions clearly, the user leaves. Simple. Website hai, par kaam nahi kar raha. This is what most business owners say. But the reality is, the website is doing exactly what it was built to do. And most websites are built without strategy. Now let's go deeper. There are three major reasons why websites fail to generate leads. First, no clear positioning. Your website tries to talk to everyone, which means it connects with no one. Second, no conversion architecture. There's no funnel, no structured call to action, no logical progression from visitor to lead. Third, no trust signals, no proof, no authority, no reason for the user to believe you are the right choice. And in today's AI-driven world, this becomes even more critical, because users are no longer just browsing websites. They are comparing you with AI-generated answers, competitors, and reviews all at once. So what is the solution? The solution is not redesign. The solution is website engineering. A website should function like a system. It should attract the right audience, guide them through structured content, build trust step by step, and convert them into leads. This is what we focus on at Sark Promotions. We don't just design websites, we engineer systems that generate business. सिर्फ website बनाना solution नहीं है, website को काम करना चाहिए. If your website is not generating leads today, it's not a design problem, it's a strategy problem. And once you fix the strategy, everything else starts working.